Hey, what's up, Jeep Gang? Today we've got a short sound system video for you. We just got some 6.5-inch speakers that we're going to be putting in the sound bar. So yeah, let's get started.
Alright, just rip off the plastic. Alright, just cutting these plastic. Just opening it up. Some paperwork. And then some wiring. And then it's got the speaker itself. Nicely packaged so they don't get damaged while you're opening them. Open it up. What you see, got this speaker. Got some screws and mounts. Looks pretty clean. Looks a lot better than just the stock speaker. Electrical. Got a nice cover. So yeah, now let's install them.
Alright, and in this year's model, it just has this little star screw right here. It's got 3 of them on each side. Just gotta find the right size, put it in, and then just slowly unscrew. And then just put these in a safe spot so you don't lose them. Once you unscrewed the cover, it's just the speaker. It's just gonna be the little attachment. Just push the one side in and wiggle it out. Alright, so we've got the stock speaker here, the new one. Quite a big difference. If you look up here, the stock one just has this little plug and play. This one has these 2 things, and it came with wiring. Just splice into this, and it's got some nice soundproofing foam, so there's no rattling when there's bass, so it improves the sound. All right, so we've removed the panel and the speaker, so now we just have the plug and play clip and the foam. So we're just gonna cut that off so we can splice the new speaker in. And that's just garbage. And then what I did is I just cut a little bit over where the speaker or the wires are not. And then just kind of rip it off. And then you have some garbage foam. We've got the 2 wires. And then we're gonna take this wire stripper and strip these so it's just the wires. Alright, so we spliced the protection off of the wire, so we're just going to spin all these together so it's nice and tight. So then when we crimp them, there's no loose wires or loose connections, so then it'll last a while. And the kicker speakers came with these red crimps, so we're just going to take these out and connect them to those speakers and then the wire that they gave us. So it'll look like this. Crimp that, and then wires crimped together. Now they're just these butterfly clips. So the big clip goes on the big one on the speaker. Slides on. And the little one slides on as well. And then you can test them. Alright, so we just played some music, made sure both of them work. So instead of just screwing it on here, since they're different brackets, we're just gonna set it in the stock cover and then just feed the wire up. And then use the stock screws to